Hello students, so today we're going to work on how to use the app in Nearpod. So the first thing you want to do is open up the app. A screen will pop up that is asking you to sign in, and after you put your information in, you're going to be asked a selection of things. You're going to choose My Library. I have already done those 2 steps, and so this is the page where I am at. It says explore our lessons or create your own lesson. Of course, we want to create our own lesson, so we're going to click on that. So here we have, here in this page, you can add a slide, or you can add, drag and drop files, or upload files directly in here, which will form as a slide. I want to create my initial slide to be a cover, and so I'm going to hit add slide. I have the options of add content, add web content, or add an activity. I'm going to choose add content. So here in add content, I'm going to choose a slide. Now when you get to this part, you have a slide, and so one of the things you want to do is click on a theme that you like and would like to use throughout your presentation. So for the sake of choosing one, I'm just going to go with this one, and you can see that it's added. We can also change the background, so this allows us to draw or drop any files or search them through Google Safe Search, and that would turn into the background for the presentation instead of this theme. Here we can go to layout, and right now we are at title and 1 element, but we could choose something like title and 2 elements, or up to even 4 elements. So here for the title, I'm just going to write sample, and right here I'm going to choose, you can either drop files here or you can upload those files. So I'm going to choose to add a file. So you can add text, video, image, or GIFs. I'm going to add text and just write hello. There we go. The next thing that you can do in this side is, let's see what happens when I add a video. So here I can either drop in a video, choose a video that is within these sides, or I could type in a Google. I could type in as a YouTube search, and it'll show me videos in YouTube. So I just wrote Apple for the sake of having an example. And so once I click the video that I want, I'm going to hit save, and you are going to see that it suddenly appears in your lesson. Now, once you're done with that, you can hit save and exit, but you can also click preview. This is going to show you what the people that are watching your lesson will see. This is what it would look like. When I'm done with the preview, I could just hit the X, and I'm back here. I can also add audio, and so I can input an audio file that I already have handy, or I can use an audio recorder. This audio recorder though would only work on Firefox and Chrome. When I'm ready and satisfied with my slide, I can hit save and exit. I am going to hit yes. And so we appear in this page again, and it's saving my slide, and now I see my slide right there. Let's try adding a slide, but this time we're going to add an activity. Let's see, we have a lot of options here. For each option that you choose, you're going to get the results or the submissions that the people doing your lesson will create. For this sample, I'm just going to choose draw it, which is I'm going to choose draw it, which is an activity that's actually going to let the participants draw. So here, instructions, I'm just going to write, what are you feeling? As an example. There we go. And here you can add reference. This is going to help your viewer know what you're talking about in a sense. You can choose image, video, audio, PDF viewer, or web content. I'm just going to choose an image. And because I'm talking about what do you feel, I'm going to type in emotions in the Google Save search and hope for a good picture to pop up. And so I like this one. I click it and put save. Now my picture is there. So now you want to hit save once you're ready and happy with the way that it looks. Let's hit save. And now it'll appear here in your lesson. So let's try dragging and uploading a file. So we could just hit upload files, and it gives me again, I can choose a file from these apps, or I can type in my Google Save search. I'm just going to write Apple again as the example. This time I will choose a different image, hit save, and it is a new slide. So now that you understand, once we're happy with our presentation, we can hit preview to see what our viewer would be seeing. There we go, preview. These are the different, so students would get the chance to write in. Once they're ready, they can submit it. And lastly, my slide, when I'm ready, when I'm done previewing, I can hit this X. There we go. And I can save and exit when I'm done with creating my lesson. I would add the lesson details, such as the name, the grades. So I'm going to choose 5th for the sake of and math, just for the sake of the example. And I'm going to hit save and exit. And that would be it. And you'd have your lesson. I hope you enjoyed making it.